Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get and keep a streak on Snapchat. To get and keep Snapchat streaks, send snaps that may be photos or videos to your friend daily and ensure they reply with a snap within 24 hours. Both of the users must exchange snaps consistently to maintain the streak. So first, to send a snap, open the Snapchat app on your device. Swipe right or left and find the filter that you want to use for the snap. Once you select the filter, simply tap on the capture button to take a snap. Tap on the Send To button from the bottom right corner of your screen. You can now select the users that you want to send the snap to. If you are looking for a specific user, use the source box at the top of the screen and search for the user. Once the user appears in the search list, simply tap on their username. Then tap on the Send button that appears on your screen. Your snap is now sent. For snap streak, your friend should also send a snap to you within 24 hours. And to maintain the streak, you should repeat this process daily. And this is how you can get and keep a streak on Snapchat.
Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.